Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to build your house on the Clubhouse application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on this houses button down below, which is the second option. Tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen and click on Start My House. You should type in a name of your house into this house name box and tap on Create My House. Here you can set up the regular meetup. You can select the repeats such as daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. Then you can select the time and also the days if you set it to weekly. Tap on the button, this blue button. You can also select whether members can invite others. You can add founding members and add friends via secret link. And here you can find your house. Basically, that's it. You can edit it anytime you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.